2 out of 3, 1 more to go. Welcome back, guys. Hope you're having an amazing Sunday. Hope you're having an amazing day. Hope your weekend was great and you're welcoming in that week slowly but surely, because Monday is just around the corner. But before we look at the week, we have got another review, guys. So welcome back, guys. Hope you're having an amazing Sunday. Hope your weekend was great, and hopefully you're welcoming in the week with positive vibes and positive thoughts, because we got another review for you today. It's not always about reviews, but it's been reviews lately because March has been crazy madness. Too many sneakers to count and too many pickups to actually count on your hand. But on that note, before we go into review, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down. Let's get these sneakers for retail, and let's get these sneakers for a reasonable price if you can't get them for retail. But today we are looking at another review for a gorgeous pair. I've got 2 of these. I got 1 more to get the pack, and it's gonna be that tribal pack, because today, hey presto shebang, we are looking at the Air Trainer 1 Dark Smoke Grey. So as you've seen, we have picked up the second variation of that tribal print, that dark smoke grey, to go with that coriander. And I'm going to pull the coriander and do a little comparison at the end, because I feel this is a great pack, and there's 1 more missing. That honeydew is coming my way soon. Hopefully, fingers crossed, guys, because that's an awesome sneaker. But before we go into that sneaker, let's look at that box. So hey presto shebang, this is the Air Trainer 1 box. As you can see, it's got that Nike print on that vinyl on the front of that box. It looks, I think this is vinyl. This is definitely vinyl. It's on the box, it's on the side there, it's on the side here, it's on all sides of this surface. As you can see, dark box, black box all the way through, and then it's got that writing at the bottom there. And this is the way the label should be, and there you go, guys. That's how it should look. I got this pair from Offspring. If you know this tag, this comes from Offspring. But I got this pair in Offspring in Camden because these actually sat on the shelf. If I ordered it from Nike, it would have taken me a couple of days, so I wouldn't be able to get the review out for Sunday. But today, as you can see, I actually got these in hand on Thursday when it released, and that's the code. That's what it should look like, and that's how it should be. And it should say Air Trainer 1 SP, and it said dark smoke grey, black iron grey. That's a good colorway description there. Trust me, dark iron grey. Who does that? Dark iron grey. That's awesome. And the code should be DH7338001. That's the code. And this one was made in Indonesia, so a bit different. Last review we did was in India, but this is Indonesia. Variable. And inside there is obviously that stamp, and if you open up your insole or take your insole out, that stamp should be at the bottom of your sneaker, and that's how you legit check your sneaker to make sure they're fine. And also, no quality check, no QR stuff on here, just the normal Nike paper. And this paper actually has Nike and swoosh all over it, and obviously with the Nike and Jordan papers, it should have that waxy side and that paper side. So that's how it should be, guys, and that's how the box should be, and that's how it should look. And as you can see, I love that black box. Look at that. Awesome box. But that's how the box should be, that's how it should come. And now let's look at that sneaker. So it's sneaker time. So hey presto shebang, look at that gorgeous sneaker. This is awesome. Like, I love this Air Trainer 1, this tribal print. Like, let's break this down. That tribal print that hits that front toe all the way through to that medial, through to the back ankle, and through to that lateral. This is awesome. And then, as you saw the coriander review, if you haven't checked the coriander review, go and check it out. I do break down history for the Air Trainer 1, but I'm not going to do it here because it's repetitive. Go and check the Air Trainer 1 coriander review out, because I do go into depth on the Air Trainer 1. But this is gorgeous. This is absolutely amazing, and I love this strap. I love this fabric strap that goes through and lock in your feet into that sneaker, and it pushes that heel back into the back of the sneaker. It is a mid, obviously you can see this is a mid version or a mid variation of the Air Trainer, and it is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely amazing. Nike is everywhere on this sneaker. Nike on the actual tongue tag or the tongue strap, Nike Air on the back of this, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then you've got that little Nike on that sole, and then you got swoosh there, swoosh there, swoosh there. It's swooshed out, trust me. The Air Trainer 1, banging sneaker, absolutely amazing sneaker. And I love the grey effect on this. As you can see, the iron grey hits that overlay, the iron grey hits that back heel with that black on the medial panels and the lateral panels. And what sets this sneaker off is, look at that toe midsole. The toe, that midsole is great, and then you've got this absolutely mustardy midsole that combines onto that grey sole. Absolutely awesome, absolutely amazing. I love this sneaker, absolutely like gorgeous pair. And in the insole, as you can see, it's that white insole with a Nike swoosh in the middle of it, and also on top of that you've got this lime green underneath the tongue, on the underlay of that tongue. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this sneaker. This whole Air Trainer 1, this whole vibe of this tribal SP range is absolutely awesome, absolutely gorgeous. I love this sneaker. I like little details on this sneaker. Look at that little 3M tribal print going through. I like, this is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. The quality on this is amazing. It's got different fabrics on this, as obviously you've got some nubuck on the toe, you've got some canvas, you've got some leather at the back. It is such a versatile sneaker, and it is soft. I need to put these on feet. I definitely need to put these on feet quite quick. And what actually takes this a step up is this iridescent panel on the lateral medial. If you can see that iridescent is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, look at that. Damn. I'm gonna, like I always do with all the sneakers on my channel, I'll give you that front perspective. Look at that back perspective with the Nike on the back, that medial side, that lateral side, and that sole. That's where it belongs. The heart and soul, everything is gorgeous on this sneaker. And then when you do that 360 rotation, it gives you a perspective of this sneaker from all different angles. Look at that, gorgeous pair. And this is beautiful. This is a beautiful pair. I'm glad I got myself into the Air Trainer 1, and thanks shout out to Mr. Miller who actually put me on this. Amazing person. I always see his Air Trainer collection, and I always see him doing that Air Trainer on Tuesdays. It is amazing, absolutely amazing. I love the fact that he got me into Air Trainer 1s, and I am looking forward to hopefully picking up those Clawfills. The Air Trainer 1 Clawfills, the OGs that are coming hopefully on the 24th or the 25th or even the 26th of March. I'm looking forward to picking up because it will go really well with all the 2 Air Trainers I've got so far. And I'm going to try and build on that collection because I've seen a lot of good Air Trainer 1s that I weren't looking for prior to this. But this is the dark smoke grey. This is another variation, and obviously if you did see my review for the Coriander, this is such a special pair. And to be honest, my favorite has to still be these Corianders. I love, like, as you can see, that iridescent on that medial side is popping straight off the bat, and then on top of that tan color on this. And if you compare the 2 midsoles, as you can see, this is a bit more yellowy and mustardy than this one, but it goes really well with the 2. Look at that, gorgeous pairs of Air Trainer 1 SPs. These are very good. The tribal print on it is 3M reflective, if you didn't know, so this pops off. This tribal print on this sneaker will pop off in the dark, and if you haven't seen it, go and check it online because it does show you how this tribal print absolutely pops off it is a gorgeous sneaker. Love this. A utility sneaker as the Air Trainer 1 is, and the Air Trainer, all the Air Trainer variations is a very good utility sneaker. You can wear and do whatever you want with this sneaker. Absolutely beautiful. And guys, the retail on this is 135. So if you want a good utility sneaker that you want to wear constantly, this is a great pickup for you guys. And if you want it, you can play basketball, you can go hiking, you can actually do any sports with this. This is very good. Like, this is a very comfortable sneaker. If you want it, go and get it. 135. It's actually sitting in the UK and EU at the moment because there's not a lot of hype on this variation of the Air Trainer 1. I know the guys in the States are probably sold out, so unfortunately, if you do want it, the resale is not going for much, so you can still pick up that Air Trainer 1 dark smoke grey for a reasonable price. And even the Corianders are still sitting in the UK and EU, so if you want it, guys, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Who, like, oh, this is a amazing pair. That orange is killing this sneaker. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is one thing why I prefer the Coriander slightly more than the dark smoke greys, but it's always good to have both of these pairs in your rotation. And as you can see, guys, these are unique. These are so special. These are so different to whatever I've got in my collection. Yeah, I always pick up Air Jordans, always pick up Yeezys, and finally I've come round to the Air Trainer 1s. Bad sign for me. Bad sign for me. Spending too much money on sneakers. But the dark smoke greys is a gorgeous pair, and the dark smoke greys are something nice to wear. You can wear some salt clothing with it. You can let the sneaker do the talking. You can wear all black because once that midsole hits, it's gonna be game over. Trust me, guys. A very good sneaker. Absolutely gorgeous. That's my review. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna try and put this on feet real quick. The Corianders, I need a special fit for it, to be honest. I've missed out on the cargo pants I was gonna wear for this. I need to kind of source them again, but to wear this, it has to be special. And as you can see, guys, it's a popping sneaker. It has to go well with the fit. But with the dark smoke greys, anything goes, guys, anything goes. That's a beautiful sneaker. But as I said, the retail is 135. The resale isn't doing much, so if you want to go and get it, you should go and try and get it. But a very beautiful pair. And the last one I need is those honeydew Air Trainer 1s. Those go right bang in the middle between these two, because you've got the light variation, which is the Coriander, the dark variation, which is the dark smoke greys, and that honeydew fits right in the middle. That's the free pack. That's the pack I need. Guys, that is a gorgeous sneaker, and I can't wait to pick it up, hopefully next month when it does come out. But it's going to be in my rotation. Trust me, I'll wear my sneakers, and make sure you guys wear your sneakers as well, because it's important that you wear your sneakers and give that activation to that sole and that midsole before it actually crumbles on you guys. So that was my review for the dark smoke greys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed the review for this beautiful pair of sneakers, and hopefully you do come back for more, because there will be more sneakers, more reviews, and more of my opinion on these sneakers. That dark smoke grey is definitely getting a 5 goes out of 5. I don't care. This is a gorgeous pair. My personal rating for this is a gorgeous pair. Absolutely amazing. So as I normally say at this juncture, I hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys got the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ at LoveKicksCustom. Peace out, guys.